Hey y'all, it's Kitty. I wanted to hop on here and do a Project Pan video inspired by another really small YouTuber. Her name is Alaini Boutte, Boutte. She has 66 subscribers and she is doing a Cruelty Free by Christmas Project Pan. Now, for those of you that don't know, Project Panning is when people put in an extra effort to hit pan on or complete certain products in their makeup collections, and this one is designed to get all of our non-cruelty free products out of our makeup collections. So I will put her intro video as well as her first update down in the description, and I thought I would just get started. Now, I do not expect to complete most of these products, as most of them are still pretty full, and I don't like to use the same products every single day. But my goal is to get significant use out of them before Christmas, and on Christmas, my plan is to get rid of all of the products in my collection that are not cruelty-free. I've set up my cruelty-free requirements in a certain way. If you watched my cruelty-free makeup collection video, I'll have that in the iCards. I don't know which side it's going to be on. If you watch that video, you know that a lot of things are in a gray area. I kept those all as cruelty-free if they claim to be cruelty-free. These are all products that either were pending or are just not cruelty-free, or in a few cases, I just can't find the information on them. So why don't we just get into what those products are? Also, for reference, I'm wearing a lot of these on my face today, and I filmed a tutorial on it using my new phone. Hopefully I will have that up shortly before or after this video. Either way, I will have it linked down below if/when it is available. So the first products that I have in here are my L'Oreal Infallible Shadows. Now I have 6 of them. I have Smoldering Plum, Purple Priority, Liquid Diamond, Endless Sea, Infinite Sky, and Amber Rush. I don't reach for them that often, but my goal is to just get as much use out of them as I can before Christmas. If I don't finish them by Christmas, I'm just going to get rid of them. I want my collection to be entirely cruelty-free, and these are not cruelty-free. The next product is a mascara. This is the Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Now, I got this last Christmas, and mascaras are generally good for 3 to 6 months, so I have 2 more months to finish this up before I am going to discard it, whether or not it is empty. You can see my cat. This is Iris. The next thing I have are these Jessie's Girl Loose Pigments. Now, these are messy, but they are gorgeous. I currently have this one on my inner corner. This one does not seem to be named, but I have Fruit Punch and Blue Moon. The next things that I have are my 2 City Color Be Matte blushes. These are pending on Logical Harmony. She has tried to get in touch with them and has not been able to. This is my favorite blush of all time. It is in Blackberry. I also have Fresh Melon. They claim to be cruelty-free, and I believe this is the Pita Bunny, but that's not super reliable in terms of actual cruelty-free status. My goal, again, is to just get as much use out of these as possible. I would love to use this one up enough to actually hit the pan in them. This is the blush that I'm wearing on my cheeks today. I also want to try and find a dupe for this because, once again, I would love my collection to be entirely confirmed cruelty-free. The last product before we move on to lips is this AOA Studios Wonder Baked Highlighter in Frisa. This is a gorgeous pink gold highlighter, but I cannot find any information on AOA Studios other than on their website. They claim to be cruelty-free, but for now, I would love to get some good solid use out of this. Once again, I am not likely to actually finish most of these products up by Christmas, but my goal is to use them up and to get them out of my collection on Christmas, if I have not already. Next, we have lips. Now, what's really unfortunate is that 3 of my all-time favorite lipsticks are not cruelty-free, and they are in this basket that I have right here, and I would like to get as much use out of these lipsticks as possible, and on Christmas Day, I am going to be getting rid of any of them that still have product. So what I'm wearing on my lips today is this Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm in 225 Sultry. I love this color. It's a beautiful neutral pinky red. This is how much of this I have. I'm actually going to mark on the cap where this is, and we're going to watch the progress go down, hopefully. Then I have, this is also a Revlon product, but what the actual product is has rubbed off, but it is in the shade 30 Smitten. I have this much of this one. Again, I'm going to mark the cap where it is. This is actually quite tilted, so it's not that high all the way around, but I am going to mark it at its highest point. The next one is this Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm in 250 Standout. This is a gorgeous red color that I am almost out of. Here are the 3 Revlon products. This is Standout, Smitten, and Sultry. Next, I have this Femme Couture lipstick in Spice of Life. This is a pink gold. It definitely looks more pink, but so does everything on this camera. Again, this shade is vibrantly red in real life. So I clearly need some better color balance. Oh, and this one is almost full. I'm going to have to mark it somewhere other than the cap because it is about as tall as the cap. I have the AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in 2014 Fab. This is a fantastic color and formula. It is super comfortable. It's this one down here. It's a gorgeous pink. I love this, but again, they claim to be cruelty-free, but I can't find any information anywhere else, so I would like to use this up as much as possible, and if at any point AOA Studio is confirmed cruelty-free by some of the resources that I like, again, those are in the description down below, I will let you guys know and take it out of this project. Next, I have 2 lip liners. The first one is the Rimmel London Exaggerate full color liner in, maybe it's in Exaggerate. I can't find the color this is in. I only have that much left, so not much. I like to actually use this all over my lips, and that's what makes it go fast. And it is a dark, like a brown toned purple. Definitely not brown, but brown tones. And then there is this Rimmel London Lasting Finish Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil in 1000 Kisses. And this is an actual pencil, so I'm not sure whether or not it is going to get used up because I don't think I have anything to sharpen it, but I would like to get a little bit of use out of it. It is that top one. And that is everything. I once again, do not expect to completely finish most of these products. I just really want to get some solid use out of them before Christmas so that I can start next year with a totally cruelty-free collection. So that is everything for me. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. I would super appreciate it if you could like this video, if you could subscribe, maybe hit the little bell notification icon so you could be notified when I upload new videos. Once again, Alaini's videos will be in the description down below, so you can check her out. I'm sure she would love to see new faces over there. And I super appreciate her for having this idea and letting me use it as well. I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!